morning. I thought I'd share today my opening of my mystery box from MMC, which is Mean Mothers Creations here in Australia. They do these boxes a couple of times a year, and they usually go very quickly. And I was lucky enough this year to get this one, and it's a surprise what's in it because my son bought it for me, but I just thought I would share. So it comes in this nice cardboard box. Purple seems to be their favourite colour. So we'll open it up. Turn it that way so we can see. Alright, so at the moment everything is still wrapped up. And here we go. Alright, first of all, what is this? Stylecraft Cabaret. Look at the colours in that. Wow. Okay, where's our details? Here we go. So it's 100 gram. It's acrylic and polyester, which you could use it for nice socks. And it is a 4mm, so that is double knit or 8 ply. And you get a free pattern. That's pretty cool. What's this one? This is a little cord end, maybe to go on a handbag. That's pretty cool. Some buttons, and they are hold buttons, so they'll go flat on whatever you make. What's this one? Lana Gatto. Oh, it's mohair. Oh, silk mohair. Oh, nice. Okay. All right. Oh, look at these cuties. Look how small they are. Little pair of snips. Yeah, what's this? Somebody must know I like measuring tapes. It's in inches and centimetres. And it's a yarn ball. How cool is that? Alright, what's this? What's this? Oh, it's a tag. That would look really good on a handbag. It's quite, I think it's leather. Yeah, it's leather. So you could put that on key rings or handbags. Oh, we've got a little badge. Oh, try it the right way up. Stitches be crazy. And that is a badge for you to wear. Alright, what's this? Merino Chunky Magic. Alright, so this is quite thick. 3B, that's cool. To fit head. Alright, to make that you need 2 bowls. Just happens there's 2 bowls. Look at that. Let's have a look. 6.5mm. Right, so to me that is about a 12 ply. 12, even a 14, but I think 12. So those two are the same. We'll put them up there. Now, this one. Nifty Cotton Splash. That's a Cascade one, so that's an American cotton. Alright, there's our details. Alright, it's a 4, but you use 4.5. So I would say that's like a thick 8 ply or even a thin 10 ply. Lovely colours. Just like a muted, washed out colouring. Very nice. Now, Cozy Comfort. This is Heirloom, so this is Australian company, I think. 4mm. Is that going to focus? There we go. Yep, made in Australia. Oh, it's all silk and alpaca. That's nice. Look at this pretty. The colours. So this is a stranded gradient cotton. So what stranded gradient means? Stranded means that it's not plied together. The individual strands are plied, you can see that, but they're not plied together. And then gradually, one at a time, each strand is knotted to the next colour. So it changes gently. If you look here, that's what it will look like worked up. See the colouring going from the orangey, the yellow to the reddy colour? That's how it changes. So there is 5mm. So 5mm to me is about 10 ply. It is cotton. Yep. What else have we got? Here we go. Oh no, hang on. 4mm in hooks, 375. So it is an 8-ply, sorry. 8-ply. So that's really nice, like that. Get some sugar and cream, some nice cotton from Lily. And we go here. 4.5 to 5, so that to me that's a 10-ply. Very nice. And what's this at the bottom? A nice little bag, look at that. And that's by Bowie, so it's an American one. Doesn't really tell you very much on the back. Good size, 34, well, 35 by 34. Good size tote. So that's what's in my mystery box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing.